if o no le sangoma e serious o no tlo bona ga ka o tshwarela nna
Chum.
ke tla ba ba
Dimi bye. Re trend yong.
a ke fela
Dimi bye. Ka tsamaya bye. No, I love you so much, babes. Bye.
bye babe ya tsweka wena shita let's go record man ish lona la bora lona la bora.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ukokotini makes fun of Ugogo Mawini once again. So this time she's saying if Umawini was a real sangoma bekadobona ukuthi akaze wamqolela, and uSkhotheni vela amdreke kuMawini for no reason, or isithubeni nje maybe ku-live jiki so ukhuluma ngamawini le konto abantu bavele ngalesinye isikhathi bathi she's so childish because wayadreka muntu langanandzaba naye 2 weeks back. Is it 2 weeks back or it's last week? I think it's last week la uSkhotheni afake i-picture or i-fake belly bump, i-fake bump laphana ku-Instagram adrega uMawini saying ukuthi lokuya kuyathengwa and it's not expensive. So everyone ubonile ukuthi le uyibhekise kuMawini because uMawini nguye umuntu lo pregnant lane beef naye. So waphendula uMawini washo nje ukuthi hey mina nje angikunakile yad, and everyone knows shem ukuthi she's pregnant like for real. Uyapost ama-pictures akhe avule ngisho skipper ubone ukuthi hayibo siso qobo lezi, but yena nje for some reason uhlezi afuna kumdreka, and people are saying ukuthi hayi sikhathele nje wena nguwe, you're so childish, thanza kudreka nje abantu labanganandzaba nawe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.